Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side and pick the settings button to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit down and find press and hold shutter button option. Now let's pick it to decide to use this as record video, burst shot or focus. So of course now let's stay on burst shot, and when we go back to the camera, when we tap on the shutter button at the center a little bit longer, we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.